Alright, so we're out doing some sampling today. What we have here is a nice outcropping with mineralization. And you got some quartz feldspar here, and you can see all that sulfide staining right there. And what we're going to do is our last sample that we took off of here wasn't big enough, and we're going to take a sample over the entire length of mineralization so we can get a good idea of what's in here. The primary sulfides are pyrite and chalcopyrite, and then you have a little bit of free mill gold in here. So you can see you have some sulfides there. This is mainly found as disseminations, and then you'll find little blebs of your mineralized rock here. And what we're going to do is show you what we can get in a sample of this entire outcrop. So we're going to fill up a 5-gallon bucket, and we'll see what we get out of that. We're going to send the whole thing in for analysis, and we're going to do a 35 element assay. Alright, so what we're doing is we're going to map out this showing. So we're going to be doing a measurement here of where your mineralization stops, and then of where your host rock comes into contact with this. Alright, so we got about 16 feet, which is about 4 meters for a mineralized area. You can see that mineralization in there. So I don't know if you can see this, but you almost got a feldspar, maybe a bit of limestone in there, but you have some granodiorite that's just so broken down, and you can see all your yellowish staining. That's from the sulfides. You can see how brittle it is, it just falls apart. So that's where the mineralization stops. Kind of as it goes underneath the overburden. So we're going to be pulling some off of here as well to fill up our bucket. We're taking this over the whole entire zone, the sample. So we almost got a full bucket, and maybe we'll take a look at a couple pieces and see if there's anything. We don't want to pick and choose the sulfides. We want to get the whole thing to basically get an idea of what we would be pulling out of here grade wise if we were running the entire outcrop. Got our outcrop up there. What we didn't notice before, probably due to rains this past spring, you have your outcrop exposed underneath the logging road as well, and you can see that there's obvious mineralization on that. So this is definitely a good spot to expose it further and see what we can get out of that. So you can see this piece, the sulfides mainly consist of pyrite. You have a little bit of chalcopyrite in there. Oh. Pass the other sample here. So you got a little bit of pyrrhotite in there. chalcopyrite. So we got our 5-gallon bucket, and we're going to send this off for an assay. It's going to be pretty expensive, so if you want to support us on Patreon and help out with this, head over to www.patreon.com/911mining. Another outcrop here with mineralization. I thought we'd check this out as well. You can see it's heavily oxidized. You have some calcite on there, sulfide staining. We have sampled this, and there is low-grade free mill gold, and then you have some pyrite. There's some iron in there, and a tiny bit of silver, but it's nothing that's worthwhile to take anything out of this outcrop, but it may be worthwhile to chase the outcrop, expose it underneath the overburden, and see if we can find anything there. But again, that's for a different date, and we would need a machine for that for sure. Anyway, let's head on to the next place, which is almost beside it. Again, you have more mineralization, and it's similar to the showing to the left. Again, you need a lot of exposing to chase this. So this zone is about 100 meters wide, and you just have multiple outcrops, some with oxidization. We have more mineralization. It's similar to that last outcrop, and we are going to sample this as well. We won't include the results in the video. We're expecting them to be similar to the last one. This is a smaller outcrop, and about the same amount of mineralization. So here there's low-grade free mill gold. This is an outcrop. It's so deteriorated that it's almost just like a breccia with sand and everything in it. So we've already sampled this in the past. I think we did a video about 1.5 years ago about this. And then there's another pile that's sloughed down here. So if you actually dig down, you can get some free mill gold, but it's very minimal. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. We're gonna go get the sample sent off on a rush order and see what we get out of that. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.